everyone, advocate Radhika this side. So my today video is about the procedure for filing a civil suit and इसे हम दो पार्ट में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. फर्स्ट में हम प्रोसीजर बताएंगे एंड द सेकेंड में कि प्रोसीडिंग्स कैसे लाइक हाउ टू कंडक्ट द प्रोसीडिंग्स. So let's start with the first part. So the procedure for filing a civil suit is the first step to initiate a suit is to file a plaint. A plaint is a written complaint or allegation. The party who files it is known as plaintiff and the party against whom it is filed is known as defendant. And a plaint contain name of the court, name and address of the parties between the dispute arose, and subject like a brief statement telling about the section and order under which the jurisdiction of the court is evoked. And the fourth one is main content or submission made by plaintiff, and the fifth one is verification from plaintiff stating that the content of the plaint are true and correct. एंड देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ वकालतनामा. सो इसमें बेसिकली वकालतनामा इज़ अ रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट बाय विच द पार्टी टू द सूट ऑथोराइज एन एडवोकेट टू रिप्रेजेंट देम बिफोर द ऑनरेबल कोर्ट. एंड हाउएवर इफ द पार्टी इज़ पर्सनली रिप्रेजेंटिंग इट्स ओन केस देन दे नीड नॉट फाइल अ वकालतनामा. There are some general terms and conditions that a wakalatnama may contain. First one is that the client will not hold the advocate responsible for any decision, and that the client has to bear all the costs and expenses incurred during the proceedings, and that the advocate will have a right to retain the documents unless complete fees is paid. And the next one is that the client is free to disengage the advocate already appointed at any state of the proceeding, and that the advocate shall have all the right to take decision on his own during the hearing in the court of law in the best interest of his client. And the third step is a filing of plaint. Like filing of plaint before chief ministerial officer at the filing counter, along with appropriate court fee and process fee. And process fee is for different type of document. A person has to pay different amount of court fee. And what is court fee? Court fee is a nominal percentage of the total value of the claim or the value of the suit. The requisite amount of court fee and stamp duty is different from every suit, and the same is mentioned in the Court Fee Stamp Act.